Hi everybody, it's Amarsonsilla and welcome to my channel. Today let's make chicken wontons. Here's all the ingredients that we'll need to make the chicken wonton filling. A pound of chicken, 1.5 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a cup of spring onions, egg white from 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We want to mix it all up so that it's all combined. There you have it. Now that we got the chicken and we have the wrappers, let's start making the wontons. Let me show you how to fold the wontons. There's various ways of folding it and you can have fun with it. Put some filling in the middle and then wet the edges and then fold it over into a triangle. You want to fold it into an even triangle. Make sure the filling's in the middle and then just press out the air starting from the middle towards the edges. So here's the first way, a beautiful even triangle. The second way is to fold it into uneven edges. We're going to fold diagonally, but we want to fold it into uneven edges. So here is like an uneven edge triangle. The next way is to fold it into a purse. First of all, we're gonna fold it into a triangle, pleat it like this. Just pleat the edges. And it is like a pleated little purse. Fold it into a triangle. And then you would stand it up and then you would pleat it. Basically it's this one, but you're making it stand. So this is more like when you make a gyoza. So this would be a standing little purse. So first of all, you're going to fold it into a triangle. You want to wet the edges and then you want to take both edges and then you want to line the edges up and then you want to pinch it. And you want to flip this over. Let's make it stand a little. And this is like a little Chinese money bag or a sailor's hat. Put the filling in the middle. Take the edges and pinch it at the top. Take the other 2 edges and pinch it at the top, and you want to make a little bundle out of it and pinch it at the top. The next way to make it is like a ravioli. So take the wonton wrapper, put the filling in the middle, and then wet all the sides. You want to put another wonton wrapper up top. Make sure the filling stays in the middle and you want to press out the air. So this looks like a ravioli. Fold it into a triangle and then like an envelope we want to wet the edges and then fold it, the edges in. This is like a little envelope. Another way of wrapping it is a rectangle. So basically put the filling in the middle and then we want to fold it over like a rectangle. is another way to make the sailor's hat. So put the filling in the middle. We want to make it into a rectangle. And then we want to pinch the edges up. These are the various ways of folding wontons. There's several different other ways to fold wontons. These are my two favorite ways of folding the wontons. Let me know what your favorite way of folding the wontons is. There's several ways to prepare them. You can boil them, you can put them in soup, you can fry them, you can pan fry them, and you can steam them. What you can do is prepare them ahead of time, lay it on a tray, and then freeze it. Once it's frozen, you can put it in a Zip-Top bag, and then you can keep it in the freezer for up to like about a month. And whenever you want to have a wonton noodle soup or wonton soup or steamed wontons, you can just take it out of the freezer and then cook them instantly. I hope this inspired you to make wontons at home. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.